3.
My family tree. Eloidina and Victor are my grandparents, and Anselma and Adrian are my grandparents. Myra and Alexander are my parents. Myra is my mother and Alexander is my father. Victor is my brother. My mother has 3 brothers and sisters: Tomás, José, and Maria. My father has 2 sisters, Vicky and Sandra. Vicky, Sandra, and Maria are my aunts. Tomás and José are my uncle. Maria has 2 children, Raúl y Sofía. Raúl and Sofía are my cousins.